Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing runtime and data. Create a virtualenv and install a Quran library with pip. Once done, place a Quran JSON or connect an API. You need verses indexed by chapter and verse numbers. Then import the library in your script and initialize the client or loader. Make sure to test a single fetch. Call Surah 1, verse 1 to confirm encoding and right-to-left handling. This gets you past setup into real, repeatable calls. Now you implement fetching and parsing. Use the library's fetch by Surah or fetch range call to retrieve verses, iterate results, and decode Unicode properly. Once retrieved, normalize text to NFC and optionally strip diacritics when comparing strings. Then map verses to data structures, dictionaries with Surah, ayah, text, transliteration, and translations, so you can index or search efficiently. Finally, persist to JSON/DB and run a sample query to validate searches and encodings. Finish by rendering or exporting. Print verse objects, serve via Flask/Fast API, or write CSV/JSON for downstream use. You should add unit tests that assert fetch correctness, normalization, and transliteration outputs so changes don't break behavior. For a final check, test search performance and caching. If things go wrong, inspect Unicode encoding, confirm package versions and data schema keys, and log raw responses. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals mismatched encodings or renamed fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.